Alex, I need your help right now.
Mia, what's wrong? You look terrified.
I just had my first big presentation at work.
That's great. How did it go?
Terrible! My manager pulled me aside after.
Oh no. What happened?
I said, I'm very exciting about this project.
Oh, Mia.
Everyone looked confused. My manager asked, exciting? What do you mean?
Mia, you said exciting. You meant excited.
Wait, what's the difference?
Exciting means you make other people excited, like a movie or party. Excited means you feel excitement.
So I told my boss that I make people excited about the project.
Kind of, yes.
Oh no, this is so embarrassing. He must think I'm so weird.
Hey, it's okay. This is one of the most common mistakes English learners make.
Really? I'm not the only one?
Not even close. And you know what? This is perfect timing.
Why?
Because today we're talking about the most common English mistakes that can make you sound unprofessional.
Oh, thank goodness. I need this so much.
Hello everyone, I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia. And apparently, I've been making embarrassing grammar mistakes at work.
Today we're covering 10 common English mistakes that can make you sound unprofessional and how to fix them.
If you make these mistakes, people might think your English isn't very good, even if it is.
Before we start, please like and share this with your friends who also want to learn English in an easy, fun, and smart way.
Subscribe so you don't miss our next episode. We upload every single day.
All right, Mia, let's make sure this never happens again. Let's talk about these professional mistakes.
Please, I can't handle more embarrassment.
Don't worry. By the end of this episode, you'll sound confident and professional. Ready?
Ready.
Mistake number 1. We already started with it. Exciting versus excited.
Yes, explain this properly so I never confuse them again.
Okay, excited is a feeling you have. I'm excited about the meeting.
You feel the excitement.
Exactly. Exciting describes something that creates excitement in others. The meeting is exciting means the meeting makes people feel excited.
Ah, so the movie is exciting, but I'm excited to watch the movie.
Perfect. You've got it. More examples. This job is exciting, but I'm excited about this job.
What about other words? Does this work with other feelings?
Yes, it works with many ing and ed words, like boring and bored.
Oh, this is the same pattern.
Exactly. The presentation is boring. The presentation makes you feel bored.
So if I say I'm boring?
You're saying you are a boring person, that you make other people bored.
Oh no, I've been saying I'm boring when I mean I'm bored.
Don't worry, many people make this mistake. From now on, I'm bored or this is boring.
I'm bored, this is boring. Got it. What's mistake number 2?
Number 2, fun versus funny.
Wait, these are different?
Very different. Fun means enjoyable, entertaining. Funny means it makes you laugh.
Give me examples.
Like, the party was fun. I enjoyed it. The comedian was funny. He made me laugh.
So fun is enjoyable, funny is comedy.
Exactly. Here's where people mess up. They say my job is funny when they mean my job is fun.
My job is funny sounds like your job is a joke.
Right, or you're a clown. Say my job is fun if you enjoy it.
What if my job actually is funny, like I work in comedy?
Then you can say both. My job is fun and funny. I'm a comedian.
Perfect. What's number 3?
Number 3, less versus fewer.
Oh, I use these interchangeably. Is that wrong?
It is. Here's the rule. Use fewer with things you can count. Use less with things you cannot count.
Can you explain more?
Sure. Can you count people? Yes, one person, two people, three people. So fewer people came to the meeting.
Okay, what about water?
Can you count water? No, you can measure it but not count it, so less water in the bottle.
Ah, countable is fewer, uncountable is less.
Perfect. More examples. Fewer emails, you can count emails. Less time, you can't count time in units of 1, 2, 3 time.
What about money?
Tricky one. Less money because you can't count one money, two money, but fewer dollars because you can count dollars.
Oh, less money, fewer dollars. I get it.
Exactly. Easy trick. If you can put a number before it, use fewer. If not, use less.
Great trick. What's number 5?
Number 5, make versus do.
Oh no, I struggle with these all the time.
I know. Even native speakers sometimes hesitate. Here's a general rule. Make is for creating or producing something. Do is for actions or tasks.
Examples, please.
Like, make a cake, you're creating it. Do homework, you're performing a task.
What about make a decision?
Great question. Some phrases are fixed expressions. You just have to memorize them.
Like what?
Make, a decision, a choice, a mistake, an effort, progress, money, a phone call.
And do?
Do, homework, a job, a favor, research, business, your best, the dishes.
Is there a trick to remember?
Generally, make is for results or products. Do is for activities or work. But honestly, some you just have to learn.
So at work, I make a presentation or do a presentation.
Both can work. Make a presentation means create it. Do a presentation means deliver it. But we usually say give a presentation.
English is so confusing.
I know. What's number 6?
Yes, what's number 6?
Number 6, say versus tell.
Oh, I never know which one to use.
Easy rule. Say is for words or statements. Tell is for giving information to someone.
That still sounds confusing.
Let me show you. She said hello. We use say for the words. She told me the news. We use tell when there's a person receiving the information.
Ah, so tell always needs a person after it.
Exactly. You tell someone something. You can't just tell the news. You must tell someone the news.
What about say?
Say can stand alone. He said something, or she said that she's busy. You don't need to mention who you're talking to.
So I told you, but I said something.
Perfect. But you can say I said to you with the word to. Without to, use tell.
This is helpful. What's number 7?
Number 7, see versus watch versus look.
3 words? Oh no.
Don't panic, they're actually quite logical. See is passive. Things come to your eyes naturally.
Passive?
You're not trying. I see a bird. It just appears in your vision.
Okay.
A see active with intention but short. Look at this. You're choosing to direct your eyes somewhere.
And watch.
Watch is active and continuous. You're paying attention over time. Watch a movie. You focus for 2 hours.
So see is passive, look is active short, watch is active long.
Brilliant summary. Examples, I see you, you're in my vision. Look at me, direct your eyes here now. I'm watching you, I'm paying attention to you over time.
What about I saw a movie versus I watched a movie?
Both work. I saw a movie is more casual, like I went to see it. I watched a movie emphasizes you paid attention to it.
Got it. Number 8.
Number 8, hear versus listen.
Is this like see and watch?
Exactly. Hear is passive. Sounds come to your ears. Listen is active. You're paying attention on purpose.
So I hear music, it's just there, but I'm listening to music I chose to pay attention.
Perfect. Professional mistake. I heard to the presentation. Wrong. You listened to the presentation.
Because listening is active.
Yes, you can say I heard the presentation if you just happened to hear it, but I listened to the presentation if you paid attention.
This makes sense. What's number 9?
Number 9, bring versus take.
Oh, I always mix these.
Think about direction. Bring is toward the speaker. Take is away from the speaker.
Toward and away?
Yes, if I'm at the office, I say bring the file to the office, toward where I am. Take the file to your house, away from where I am.
So it depends on where I am.
Exactly. If you're at the party, you say bring wine to the party. If you're not at the party yet, you say take wine to the party.
That's actually confusing.
I know. Here's an easier way. Bring is come with something. Take is go with something.
Come with, go with. That's better.
Bring your friend means come with your friend. Take your friend means go with your friend.
What about take in the sense of transportation, like take the bus?
That's different. Take the bus is a fixed expression, meaning use the bus, not about bring or take direction.
English has so many exceptions.
It does. Last one, number 10.
Finally, what is it?
Number 10, using the incorrectly.
The article? I never know when to use it.
This is tricky for many learners. General rule, use the when you're talking about something specific that both people know about.
Examples.
I went to the office. We both know which office. Your office. I went to an office, some office. You don't know which one.
So the equals specific, a/an equals general.
Exactly. Common mistake at work. I sent email. Wrong. I sent an email or I sent the email we discussed.
What about I love coffee? Know the?
Right. For general concepts, no article. I love coffee is coffee in general. I love the coffee you made is that specific coffee.
This is complicated.
It is. Quick tip. If you're talking about something for the first time, use a or an. If you mentioned it before, use the.
I saw a dog. The dog was cute. The second time, use the.
Perfect example. You've got it.
Wow, these 10 mistakes are so common. I've been making most of them.
Everyone does. Even native speakers make some of these mistakes.
Really?
Really. The important thing is to learn and improve.
How can I remember all of these?
Practice. Use them in real situations. Make mistakes, correct yourself, try again.
Should I be afraid of making mistakes?
Never. Mistakes are how you learn. The fact that you're watching this video means you care about improving. That's what matters.
Thank you, Alex. I feel so much better now.
I'm glad. And remember, sounding professional in English takes time. Be patient with yourself.
I will. Can you give me one final tip?
Sure. When you're not sure, keep it simple. Short, clear sentences are better than trying to say something complicated and making mistakes.
Simple is better.
Always. I'm happy about this project is better than trying to say something complicated and making mistakes.
That's great advice.
And if you do make a mistake, just correct yourself. Oh, sorry, I mean excited, not exciting. People appreciate self-correction.
That takes the pressure off.
Exactly. English is a tool for communication, not a test. As long as people understand you, you're doing great.
I love that. Okay, everyone, that's everything for today.
We hope these tips help you sound more confident and professional in English.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like and share with your friends who also want to learn English.
Subscribe to LearnFlow English. We release new episodes every single day.
Tell us in the comments, which of these mistakes do you make? We all make them.
Yes, don't be shy. Share which ones you struggle with. We want to hear from you.
And remember, making mistakes are part of learning. Don't be afraid.
Thank you so much for watching today.
See you tomorrow on LearnFlow English.
Keep practicing.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.